Is God too bound by the laws of science?
The question of whether God is bound by the laws of science is a bit like the question, can God make a stone that is so heavy that he cannot lift it? I don't think it is very useful to speculate on what God might or might not be able to do. Rather, we should examine what he actually does with the universe we live in. All our observations suggest that it operates according to well-defined laws. These laws may have been ordained by God, but it seems that he does not intervene in the universe to break the laws, at least, not once he had set the universe going.
The theory explaining how we might detect parallel universes and a prediction for the end of the world was completed by Stephen Hawking shortly before he died. It has emerged. These may be his last official words on international platform. The renowned theoretical physicist was working right up until his death on his final work, A Smooth Exit from Eternal Inflation, which is currently being reviewed by a leading scientific journal. In it, he predicted that the universe would eventually end when stars ran out of energy. But Hawking also theorized in his final work that scientists could find alternative universes using probes on spaceships, allowing humans to form an even better understanding of our own universe. What else is out there and our place in the cosmos? While Hawking spoke on his lack of belief in God during his life, several of his other answers are more surprising. There are forms of intelligent life out there, he writes. We need to be wary of answering back until we have developed a bit further. And he leaves open the possibility of other phenomena. Travel back in time can't be ruled out according to our present understanding, he says. He also predicts that within the next 100 years we will be able to travel to anywhere in the solar system. It's not clear if the scientific community will accept Hawking's answer. Some scientists, like the multiverse theory, which says our universe is but one of a series of parallel universes. Others are fans of the cyclical model of the Big Bounce, the idea that our universe was caused by another collapsing universe. At least one physicist is open to the idea that a Star Wars-type world existed before the Big Bang, and others have suggested that aliens brought life to our universe. We'll stick with Stephen Hawking's theory of nothing for one simple reason. The only way for something to come out of nothing is if it's created by something that already existed. And the only candidate for that something before something is God, who is by definition uncreated and self-existent. The writer of the book of Hebrews puts it this way.
Remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Seize the moment. Act now. Be curious. And however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. It matters that you don't just give up. While there's life, there is hope. Be brave, be determined, overcome the odds. It can be done.